The states of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu receive a great amount of rainfall during the season of retreating monsoons.
Correct response. True is the most accurate answer.
We can have special programs like DASH to involve more people in making our earth green.
Bravo! Forest Festival is the answer.
The small plants, shrubs, cactus, and flowering plants grow on their own is called.
Good thinking. Wildlife is the right answer.
During the southwest monsoon period, the moisture-laden winds blow from DASH.
You got it? Your choice land to sea is right. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mawsim, which means dash.
On track. Seasons is the correct answer. Wild goats and snow leopards are found in DASH.
Nice selection. Himalayan region is the correct and valid answer.
DASH forest in Gujarat is the home of DASH. Nice work. You chose Gyr and Asiatic lions, and it is correct.
The world's highest rainfall occurs in DASH.
Strong choice. Mawsynram is the right answer. A wide range of species is found in this vegetation. Most of the trees are in conical shape. These trees are called coniferous trees.
Right choice. Mountain vegetation is the best answer.
Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kajal in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold.
Great job. True is the accurate answer.
These forests can survive in saline water. It mainly found in Sundarbans in West Bengal and in Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Excellent choice. Mangrove forest is the right answer.
Choose the correct option.
Perfect. 1C2 3B4 is the correct choice. The DASH plays a very important role in trapping the southwest monsoons within India and causing rainfall.
Correct. Himalayas is the right answer. The states of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu receive a great amount of rainfall during the season of DASH.
You chose retreating monsoon.
And it is correct. Which is the smallest migratory bird from Arctic region that travel over 8,000 kilometers to reach India.
Great thinking. Little stint is the right choice. They are called monsoon forest. They are less dense. They shed their leaves at particular time. Well picked. Tropical deciduous forest is the correct answer. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. Clear logic. Your choice true is sound and 100% true. When do birds like pintail duck, curlews, flamingo, osprey, etc. migrate to our country DASH? Nicely done. Winter is a solid answer. Weather is about the average condition of a place which have been misread over many years. Sharp thinking. False is the right choice. We can have special programs like DASH to involve more people in making our earth green. Excellent. Forest Festival is a brilliant choice. From which language is the word monsoon taken from? And what is the word in that language? Solid response. Arabic. Mawsim is a valid choice. The southern parts of India, particularly DASH A and DASH, receive rainfall in this season. Good job. Your answer both A and B works well here.
The climate of a place is affected by its location, distance from the sea, and relief. Exactly. True makes sense, and it is right choice.
The marshy forest of Assam and northern West Bengal are the natural habitats of dash.
Smart move. One-horned rhinoceros is an accurate answer.
Which of the following is the correct word for the season of retreating monsoon? Well reasoned. Autumn is the correct choice. The dash forests are found in the region where the rainfall is 200 cm and above. Smart pick. Tropical evergreen is the correct choice. Which of the projects for protecting the wildlife of India has not taken place? Well done. Project Wolf is the right choice.
The overall average weather at a place over a period of time is known as dash.
Right again. Climate is a valid answer.
During hot weather season, hot and dry winds called dash blow during the day.
Valid point. 2 is true. Southwest monsoon starts in the month of dash and ends in the month of dash. You're right. June to September is the correct answer.
Trees in these dash shed their leaves for 6 to 8 weeks during the dry season.
Nice work. You chose deciduous forest, and it is correct. During the southwest monsoon period, the moisture-laden winds blow from. Excellent. Sea to land is a brilliant choice. Wildlife Week is observed in the first week of dash every year in India. Perfect. October is the correct choice. What important programs can we have to improve greenery of our Earth? Right choice. All of these is the best answer. In which direction does the wind blow during southwest monsoon season? Good job. Your answer C to land works well here. The dash forest is so dense that the sunlight doesn't reach the ground. Nice selection. Tropical rainforest is the correct and valid answer.
Elephants and one-horned rhinoceroses are found in the forests of dash.
Great thinking. Assam is the right choice.
Lu is a hot local wind that blows in northern plains in summer season.
You got it. Your choice true is right.
The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mosim meaning season.
Solid response. True is a valid choice.
This type of forest are found in dry areas. The leaves become spines.
Well picked. Thorny bushes is the correct answer.
Tropical rainforests occur in the areas which receive dash rainfall.
Well reasoned. Heavy is the correct choice. Monsoon has been taken from the Arabic word dash, which means season. Correct response. Sea moss is the most accurate answer. Due to which condition India has a wide range of natural vegetation. You're right. Climatic condition is the correct answer. The dash is the average weather condition measured over many years. Smart pick. Climate is the correct choice.
During the southwest monsoon period, most winds blow from the dash.
Nicely done. Sea to land is a solid answer.
Hot and dry winds known as dash blow during the day in the summers.
Excellent choice. 2 is the right answer.
During the winter season, the sun rays fall directly in the region.
You chose false, and it is correct.
Tropical rainforests can only grow in places where the weather is.
Strong choice. Hot and wet is the right answer. The continent of North America is linked to South America by dash. Clear logic. Your choice isthmus is sound and 100% true. What are the names of states which receives a moderate rainfall? Bravo. Gujarat is the answer. Which state has freezing cold during the winter season in India? Good thinking. Jammu and Kashmir is the right answer. In which state are the cactus kher, babool, key carrots found? Correct. A. Rajasthan is the right answer.
The first week of Dash is observed as Wildlife Week every year.
Well done. October is the right choice. The season of retreating monsoon in India is also known as Dash. Sharp thinking. Autumn is the right choice. Which season occur after autumn and before spring every year? Exactly. Winter makes sense, and it is right choice. In which season nights become longer and day becomes shorter? Valid point. Winter is true. The Great Indian Desert in Rajasthan receives 200 cm of rain. Smart move. False is an accurate answer. Hot and dry winds that blow during summer are known as dash. On track. Lu is the correct answer. It is the duty of every dash-hish of India to conserve wildlife. Great job. Citizen is the accurate answer. Which place in India receives the world's highest rainfall? Right again. Mawsynram is a valid answer. During the night time, which gas is released by the plants? Correct response. Carbon dioxide is the most accurate answer. From which month to which month there is summer in India? Excellent choice. D. March to May is the right answer. Trees of tropical deciduous forests shed their leaves in. Nice work. You chose before summer and it is correct. In which type of forest many species of trees are found? Well reasoned. Tropical rainforest is the correct choice. Tropical rainforests are also called evergreen forests. Right choice. True is the best answer. The climate of India is broadly declared as dash type. Excellent. Monsoon is a brilliant choice. Dash tree is a well-known species of mangrove forests. Good thinking. Sundari is the right answer. During monsoon season, the winds blow from land to sea. Exactly. False makes sense, and it is right choice. What do moisture-laden winds strike to cause rainfall? Solid response. Mountain is a valid choice. The northern plains gets extremely cold during winters. Correct. True is the right answer. From which language is the word monsoon taken from? Great job. Arabic is the accurate answer. The world's highest amount of rainfall occurs in dash. Smart move. Mawsynram is an accurate answer. Day-to-day changes in the atmosphere is known as dash. You got it? Your choice weather is right.
Parrots, pigeons, and geese are examples of rare birds. Bravo! False is the answer. Evergreen forests do not grow in saline coastal waters.
Clear logic. Your choice false is sound and 100% true.
Identify the factor that does not affect the climate. On track. Longitude is the correct answer. What would happen if the monsoons are weak in a year? Well done. All the above is the right choice. Dash Forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Great thinking. Gir is the right choice. Dash showers occur in coastal Kerala and Karnataka.
Good job. Your answer, mango, works well here.
Tidal forests are also known as mangrove forests. Sharp thinking. True is the right choice. Wildlife Week is observed every year in the Dash. Perfect. First week of October is the correct choice. Mangrove forests can only survive in Dash water.
Strong choice. Saline is the right answer.
Jaisalmer receives the world's highest rainfall.
Smart pick. False is the correct choice.
How many types of vegetation are found in India? Right again. Phi is a valid answer. Good dash means adequate rain and bountiful crop. Valid point. Monsoon is true. Which of the following has tropical rainforest? You're right. Western Ghats Forest is the correct answer. Where are one-horned rhinoceros found in India?
Nicely done. Assam is a solid answer.
Gir Forest in Dash is the home of Asiatic lions.
Well picked. Gujarat is the correct answer.
It is the day-to-day changes in the atmosphere.
Nice selection. Weather is the correct and valid answer.
Day-to-day changes in the atmosphere is called. You chose climate, and it is correct. Which festival is celebrated in winter season? You chose Rory, and it is correct. Which season occur after spring before autumn?
Excellent. Summer is a brilliant choice.
Wild goats and snow leopards are found in Dash.
Nicely done. Himalayan region is a solid answer.
How many types of seasons are there in India? Nice selection. 4 is the correct and valid answer. When is season of retreating monsoon?
Bravo. October and November is the answer.
Which of these is not example of thorny bushes? Right again. Teak is a valid answer. If monsoon were weak, so what happened to crop? Well picked. Not affected is the correct answer. Mahogany and rosewood trees are found in Dash. Clear logic. Your choice, tropical evergreen forests, is sound and 100% true. Forests help in maintaining the Dash balance. Strong choice. Ecological is the right answer. What is the duration of cold season in India? You got it. Your choice, December to February, is right. Cold beverages are preferred in which season?
Correct response. Summer is the most accurate answer.
Number of tigers are decreasing in the world. Good job. Your answer true works well here. Which of the following is a flowering plant? Great job. Rose is the accurate answer. In India, March to May is the season of dash. Great thinking. Summer is the right choice. Camels and wild asses are found in the dash. Right choice. Great Indian Desert is the best answer. We should refuse to buy things made of dash. Well reasoned. Animals' body parts is the correct choice. Winter season in India is from dash to dash. Sharp thinking. December to February is the right choice. Dash in Rajasthan receives least rainfall. Smart pick. Jaisalmer is the correct choice. Earth is divided into how many hemispheres? You're right. 2 is the correct answer. The cold weather season begins and ends at. Perfect. December to February is the correct choice. The temperature of a place depends on its... Exactly. Height makes sense, and it is right choice. Garden is an example of natural vegetation. On track, false is the correct answer. Agriculture in India is dependent on dash. Valid point. Sea breeze is true. Bandipur National Park is in dash state. Well done. Karnataka is the right choice. When is southwest monsoon season? Solid response. June to September is a valid choice. Gir Forest in Gujarat is the home of dash. Excellent choice. Asiatic lions is the right answer. Only 1% water left for drinking on Earth. Smart move. True is an accurate answer. Dash forests can survive in saline water. Correct. Mangrove forests is the right answer. Winds move back from the mainland to the... Good thinking. Bay of Bengal is the right answer. The cold weather season starts from dash. Nice work. You chose December to February, and it is correct. The average weather condition is called... Nice work. You chose tropical region, and it is correct. Mangrove forests are found in dash state. Solid response. West Bengal is a valid choice. Coniferous trees go leafless in summers. Right again. False is a valid answer. Summer season in India starts from dash. Well reasoned. March is the correct choice. The tundra climatic zone is located in... Strong choice. Northernmost Asia is the right answer. Dash is found in India and Africa only. Excellent. Tiger is a brilliant choice. The government has also started project... Clear logic. Your choice both A and B is sound and 100% true. Evergreen rainforests are also known as... Good thinking. Tropical rainforest is the right answer. When is cold weather season? Smart move. December to February is an accurate answer. Dash are also called monsoon forests. Perfect. Deciduous forests is the correct choice. During the winter season, the sun rays. Good job.
Your answer "don't fall directly" works well here.
The world's highest rainfall occurs in...
Great thinking. Mausoleum is the right choice.
What are natural habitat of wildlife?
Nice selection. Forests is the correct and valid answer.
Which winds bring rainfall in India?
Exactly. Southwest monsoon winds makes sense, and it is right choice.
Christmas is celebrated in summer in...
You're right. Australia is the correct answer. What is the national animal of India? Well picked. Tiger is the correct answer. How many factors affect the climate? Sharp thinking. 4 is the right choice.
When is hot weather season? Bravo!
March to May is the answer.
India is a part of which hemisphere?
Valid point. Northern Hemisphere is true. Dash is the coldest month in India. Excellent choice. January is the right answer.
Mangrove forests are also known as...
On track. Tidal forests is the correct answer.
Dash forest is home of Asiatic lions.
You chose gear, and it is correct. Snow leopards are found in the dash. You got it. Your choice, Himalayas, is right. Mangrove forests can thrive in dash. Nicely done. Saline water is a solid answer.
The climate of India can be cold.
Correct. Tropical monsoon climate is the right answer.
Some birds migrate to India in the...
Correct response. Summer is the most accurate answer.
Dash is taken from the Arabic word.
Right choice. Monsoon is the best answer. India is equally rich in dash life. Smart pick. Bird is the correct choice. Dash is the home of Indian lions.
Well done. Gir forest is the right choice.
Dash experience moderate climate. Great job. Both and is the accurate answer.
Forests are responsible for dash.
Excellent. Low temperature is a brilliant choice. The one-horned rhinoceros isn't. Good job. Your answer endangered works well here.
Mangrove forests are found in...
Smart move. Swampy areas is an accurate answer.
Rainforests have low rainfall.
Solid response. False is a valid choice.
What do we call rain in Hindi? Nice work. You chose Varsha, and it is correct. Monsoon forests are found in...
Clear logic. Your choice Madhya Pradesh is sound and 100% true.
Which is our national animal? Great thinking. Tiger is the right choice.
What is the climate of India? You got it. Your choice monsoon is right. March to May is the season of...
Well done. Hot weather season is the right choice.
Rainy season is also known as...
On track. Southwest monsoon seasons is the correct answer. Sundry is a well-known dash.
Valid point. Mangrove forest is true.
Dash is our national bird.
Well reasoned. Peacock is the correct choice. Rain meaning in Marathi. Smart pick. Thumb is the correct choice.
During the summer season.
Exactly. Temperature becomes very high makes sense, and it is right choice.
Sundarban is located in.
Nice selection. West Bengal is the correct and valid answer. Sundarbans is in dash.
You're right.
West Bengal is the correct answer.
Monsoon occurs during.
Right choice. June to September is the best answer.
Winter occurs during.
Bravo. December to February is the answer.
They're about dash.
You chose 89,000 animal species, and it is correct.
Plants release.
Correct. Oxygen is the right answer.
What is Lu?
Good thinking. Hot and dry winds is the right answer.
Hot season.
Excellent choice. Summer is the right answer.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Nicely done. Contact Narayan Changdar on Facebook is a solid answer.